Introducing Event Horizon, AI Process Studio for process documentation based on the show and tell video. We know all what's the issue with the process documentation in organizations is. That's usually everyone wants it and feels that it is important, though no one wants to update it because of the amount of effort it requires. Many organizations, due to lack of time, resources, or simply money, do not document their processes correctly. But even if they have money, they still have to rely on that old technology software where processes are recorded step by step, and sometimes it takes way longer to learn how the software works rather than using it. To use of that, I have built an Event Horizon tool that allows to create very detailed process documentation just from a simple video. Look here, I have a process recorded, and I'm also the person on the recording is just explaining what she's doing step by step by changing the status, and video in that form can be later uploaded to the tool, and every interaction with the UI together with the business logic that stands behind the process presented on the video will be converted into list of steps and structured documentation that later can be exported into Word document and utilized in the process optimization efforts or in automation and digitalization. I will now upload the video to the tool to show you how it works. Just take the video recording and I can start the analysis. And now is the best part. The tool starts an React loop agent like Gemini CLI to analyze the video. So it's not an AI workflow or just a simple prompt. It's actually an agent running behind and analyzing the video step by step. As you can see, it's calling tools and interact with the chart and the list of steps that you can see here. I can easily track the tokens that I utilize, cost, and of course, number of interactions. Certain steps has been extracted by the AI agent. Right now, they will start appearing here in the form of the screenshots that later on will be exported to the process documentation. When all is done and the process meets my expectations, I can export it into process definition document in the form of the Word document. As you can see, this document is very detailed. It specifies every step in the process and with which UI elements a user interacted with. Thank you for watching and stay in touch.